The CEO who learns this now has a 2-year advantage over competitors. AI does not replace your judgment. It simply amplifies it with faster and broader analysis. You still have to be part of the thinking process here. It is an intellect amplification tool. It is not something to replace your thinking. You start with the questions you're already asking, you just get answers 10 times faster, right? And then additionally, beyond that, you can go to the questions that you are not asking. And that's where the real value comes from, at least. You have this advantage to use AI for strategic thinking where others just are not doing this. They're thinking about how can I use it to respond to my emails, or how can I be using it to fill out invoice forms, etc. No, you want to be using it for growing your business. So let's get into some of these examples of where you can use AI to grow your company.